Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Rio de Janeiro, and I'm in a grocery store. And I'm going to go in and give you ideas on what the prices look like and show you some items. Let's do it. I got to be sly, so I might not talk too much. Let's do it. Bye. Okay, you might as well start with gummy bears, huh? Excuse me, what's the exchange rate? So if this is $9.90, what's that in America? Oh, that's okay. Gracias. Gracias. I'd like to know the exchange rate. I thought it was 6, but what's the exchange rate? If this is if this is $9.90, how much is that in American? Is that what's the?
Is the orange?
No, the $9.90.
Is $2.
$2.
Yeah.
So $10 is $2.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So if it's 10 is 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5. So 5 times. So if this is 12 divided by 5, so that's what, 3? I don't know. Interesting. So tomatoes are 6 or 7 or whatever, and I don't even know what those fruit are. Well, you know what? I'm not going to tell you what the conversion is. I'm just going to tell you how much they cost in their money, and you can make your determinations on what things cost. So 4 oranges, 12 of theirs. So they have Haagen-Dazs. Is that for 69? Yeah, Haagen-Dazs is 69. Wow. You know what I should do is let me do the conversion here. Maybe I can do it on my calculator. I'm gonna hit pause. I'll be right back. Okay, so 10 is really $1.62. So if that is 69, so let me backspace this, 69, just so that we know what we're really talking about for that. It's $11.19 for Haagen-Dazs. $11.19. So for that one, $34. Let's go back. 34 of their dollars done is $5.51. So really, $10 is $1.50. So, wow. So I don't know. That seems kind of expensive to me, but plums are 17. Wow. How much is butter? Butter is $18.75 and yogurt is $12.97 for 4. Activia is $14.99. So I know I want a Diet Coke or Coke Zero, and it's $7 of their money, 7 whatever, I don't know what they call them even. So that's probably what, $1 something, maybe $1.20. And bread is 17 for a loaf. And tortillas or whatever those are, $14.95. Here's a loaf of bread, 19. So that's probably how much? So if 10 is 2 or $1.70, then 20 would be $3.50, $4-ish. I don't know what the taxes are, but I don't have any idea. So here's jelly and honey and stuff. I'll let you get your idea of what things cost. $19.93, so 20, that's $3, $4. paper, $16.98.
Obrigado você, beijo, tchau, tchau.
Olive oil is 57. Yikes. Rice isn't bad, $8.39, so maybe a $1.20, $1.30. So it looks like coffee is for Starbucks is $37.80. That's on sale. Here's coffee, $24.90. And then let's see, what else is there? Can of tomatoes is $15.90, so that's what, $2.50? Oh, sorry.
What do you got?
How much is top ramen? $6.94 for top ramen-ish. Whipped cream, $3.49. So whipped cream's pretty cheap, I think. You know, I'm guessing. Let's go this way and see what else we get here. Cookies, $7.89. Crackers, chips. How much are Lay's? So Lay's for a little bag is $1.69 because it's the same price as that candy. So $1.69 for those. $10.97, so that's probably $2 for a bag of Cheetos. And these are small bags of Cheetos, by the way. Doritos, $11.85. This is a little bag, so that's probably two something. $2.10 maybe. Ruffles, $5.99 on sale. How much is milk? Milk is $9.65, $8.65, $9.98, How about cereal? $20 for a small bag. A small box of Fruit Loops. So 20 is going to be $1.69, $1.69. What's that going to come to? $3.50-ish. Not meat. Whiskers. Meat. Hot dogs, $15.95. More hot dogs, $15.95. A beer is $8, so that's going to be $1.50 for Heineken. Steak is $16.25. Let's see what else they got here. How about frozen stuff? So, I don't know what, some kind of fish, $64, $44, $42.90, $42.90. About French fries? French fries, wow. So 30 is going to be $1.69 times 3, so $1.75, $5 or $6 for French fries. What else do they got here? So for a hamburger, it's $20. For macaroni and cheese, it's $13. For a little pizza, $24.97. And let's see, what's this? Is like little pasta? Like these are like Hungry Men or something, I guess. Huh. Okay. How about cheese? 50. So this one is $58.95 for a cheese. Is there anything I know? Eat 'em or something? Here's some bologna, it looks like, for $12. There's some ham, prosciutto. More ham. Here's chicken. What's the chicken cost? So chicken, $25.97, $24.88, $32.90, $22.16. Meatballs, $25. I don't know what that is. If you you go with wings, it looks like maybe 14. More wings, 21.50. Okay. How about spaghetti sauce? Spaghetti sauce is, so tomato paste is, what is it, $13.50? So that's going to be like $2.50. Pickles are 37. More pickles are 37. Sliced pickles are 28. Tomato paste is 37.48. That's 19.90. Olives are 24.90. How about pasta? Pasta, 20 bucks. So what's that come to? 20 bucks is going to be $3.50 for a box of pasta. That's pretty expensive. And beer, I don't drink beer anymore, so, but I'll show you the prices. It's really pretty cheap for beer. What else can I show you? Okay, Smirnoff. Vodka's on sale for $49 for that bottle, $39 for that bottle. I wonder if they have like cheap stuff. I don't know. Oh, here's juice. We didn't do juice. $15.97, $6.96. And there's cookies, Oreos. Oreos, so those aren't really Oreos, are they? Not really, but they're a copy of Oreos. Huh. Here's Biscoff. For this little tiny one is 23 bucks. Yeah. Crackers, $4.50. Well, now these are Oreos. So here's Oreos for $5.95. $5.95. All right, well, I think I've shown you enough to get you some idea of what things cost. Spices, is that cat food, or I don't know what those are, beans and stuff. Okay, everybody, that's it for me. Have a good day. Bye, everybody.